Okay, everyone. Before we start, return to the textbook. We can have a small talk about the weather here. How do you feel the temperature recently? What? Pardon me?
Getting cold again.
Getting cold again. You know, when I was a PhD student in the US, I tell my American friends and neighbors, you know, in Taiwan, the average temperature in the winter is about 14 degrees. They say, oh, okay, because I used to live in the New York state. It is a snowing state. Then I said one term, they said, wow. I said, average temperature in Taiwan in the winter is 14 degrees Celsius. Wow, so warm, not Fahrenheit. Fahrenheit, you know, the 14 is under the freezing point. And now, okay, actually, in Taiwan, except the high mountains and some, or maybe 10,000 years ago, the ice age, most area in Taiwan would never snow. I think you are from Philippines, and it's very warm, very hot countries here. And how about the countries? Students from other country, Indonesia, very hot. How about from Mongolia? I heard about the very cold in Mongolia. Minus 40. So how do you think about the winter in Taiwan? I mean, you're feeling the weather?
Yeah, almost feels the same like Mongolia.
Are you kidding me? Because it's very humid in Taiwan. I know that.
That's what is making it more cold, I guess.
But
The temperature shows like
yeah.
it's like possibly even if the weather is showing us like 10 something or 20 something, it doesn't feel like that.
So okay. Can I have a conclusion of you? You feel the winter in Taiwan as you feel similar to the low temperature in Mongolia? Okay, I will tell my friends. Okay, can you believe it? Because as I know, many cold air is from Mongolia. They moved to China. They moved to the Japan. Moved to Taiwan.
It's just really cold. But not like Mongolia. Mongolia is obviously more colder. And maybe because of what we're wearing, it's not that big as Mongolian clothes.
A very heavy coat like that. Okay. Interesting. So, Lapative, how about in your country? The average temperature in winter? Minus 35. you know, and how do you feel the winter in Taiwan? Nothing? Oh, very warm. What's that? You know, first year when I come back to Taiwan, for this kind of weather, I don't need a coat. I just wear a short T-shirt. Oh, it's not cold outside. But after the second winter, I need to wear a coat. Interesting. Okay, let's move to the. Actually, I always encourage Taiwanese students to broaden your view, to not concentrate on the Taiwan, because of the different people from different countries. They have their own lifestyle, their own culture, and their own thinking. Please do not restrict your view in Taiwan. As I always encourage students to do that. Okay, let's move to the chapter 3.3, ranking. Ranking is an important section, but not difficult. Important, but not difficult. Okay. Along with the center and variability, another useful numerical measure is ranking of a number. Percentile, percentile, either one is okay. Is a measure of ranking. It represents a location measurement of a data value of the rest of the values. Many standardized tests give the result as a percentile, especially about the survey of national income, national average income. Okay, and here, example, interpreting percentile. What does a score at 19th percentile mean? What does a score of 17th percentile mean? Solution. This means 90% of the scores were at or below this score. It means very high, and 90% was at or below this score. Okay, and the same way at 70%. Okay, example, percentile versus score. If the test was out of 100 points and you scored at 18th percentile, what was your score in the test? Solution, you don't know. Because everyone has different scores, you need to know the details. Okay, definition, to find the quartiles, so the data increasing order from small to big, find the median. We know that median is the middle point, the value in the middle point. If the odd number, the middle point. If the even number, you need to get the average of the middle 2 points. Okay, divide the data list into 2 halves. 3, find the median of the data below the median. This value is Q1. Find the median of the data above the median. The value is Q3. Ignore the median in both calculations for Q1 and Q3. Okay, let's move here. And here is the term IQR, interquartile range. It means Q3 minus Q1. Q3 minus Q1, determining probable outliers from the IQR. For instance, okay, here you can skip this one. And this figure is very important. In the future, you can find a lot of applications from the websites, and you can type your data, and please help me calculate the quartiles here. And here is a typical box and whisker plot. Here a box, a rectangle here. On the left side is listing from the left to right. Close to the left, the value is smaller. Close to the right side, the value is larger. And at the terminal of this one is minimum, the smallest value of the data set. On the opposite side here, the maximum value of the data set. And here, median, again, we know that $1, you just told us median is the middle point of the value. Okay, to be honest, it's not correct. I mean, the median is the range sorting number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to 10, and the number in the middle point is the median. But it doesn't mean the value is in the middle point. For example, in the average, Taiwanese has the income, smallest income, largest income, and the median. But the median may not be the average from maximum and minimum. Get it? Okay, the median, because here is the x-axis, means the value, and the value doesn't mean the middle point. The middle point can be closer to the left side, can be closer to the right side. Either way is okay. And here is the box. The left side of the box is Q1. The left side of the right side of the box, that is Q3. It means 75%, and here means 25%. Okay, let's check that. Example, 5 number summary for an even number of data points. 5 number summary. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 12 number sets, and now list it from small 2855 from the smallest value from the left to the right, the right the 3032, and here we can find the middle one. There are 12 data points, so the median is the average of the 6th and the 7th numbers. Okay, we can get it. The 6th, 29 and 64, the number, I prefer to call it number 6, number 7, and got the average there with 2964.5 billion, and now we can find sorted the data from the set with median, and we can take the left side, see, 2855, 2964, the lowest bunny, the 50% of that one, then we can get the median again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers. We can get the median again, and the median will be the average of 2862 and 2884. That is number 3, number 4, and number 4. I got the average. We can get the Q1 here. And the same way, and we can call 25 percentile. And to find Q3, find a median of a second half of the list. Second half here, 29, 65, 30, 32. We can cut this part and move it here. 29, 65, and 30, 32 here, and get the second part, get the median again. That is Q3. That's Q3. And it's an even number. Even number, we need to get the middle 2 points and get the average. 2971, 3002 here. Got the average. That is 2986.5 here. Okay, now we have this one. We have those numbers in this one. Okay, so please. The minimum, median, maximum is here. Okay, now the plot, as I know, it's not easy to use the Google spreadsheet, Google Office to draw this. And later I will tell you how to draw this one. And please follow my steps. And now, okay, again, you can like this, go to Google Drive and have a new Google spreadsheet. Okay, then we have new spreadsheet. Okay, I prefer to use the date, 8-digit date as the title name. And now we need to copy here. Copy and move. Okay, and there are 2 ways. For example, I can copy here, copy, and paste it with spatial transposed, and get this. See, 28, 55, 29, 65. From the horizontal direction, I move it to the vertical direction. And the second one, select here, copy, and followed by this one, past spatial transposed. Okay, done. Okay, please do this way. Please do this way. Okay, and next. Okay, please sort this one from small to big. Click data, sort the range by column from A to Z, from small to big, and done. Okay, and here, and the first one, we know that there are 12 numbers. It's an even number. How to get the median? Median is the number 6 and number 7. Get the average here. Or let me move it. Okay. There are several ways. I use an easy way. I use the calculator from my computer. 2964 here plus 2965, enter, and divided by 2. Okay, the answer is here, median. Okay, the next question, how to find the Q1 and Q3? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The first part of the 6, I use the background, maybe light blue. The second part, I use green. Okay, then the first part, smaller, the 50% are here, and the Q1 is the average of this one. And the Q3 is the average of those two. Thus, Q1, that is the average of the 6. And number 3 and number 4, we can use the calculator. 2862 plus 2884, enter, divided by 2. Okay. Okay, and here is the Q3. The same way, I use 2971 plus 3002 and divided by 2. That will be okay, get it? Yeah, we can compare the Yep, 2964.5, the median is here, and the Q1, that is 2873 here, and Q3, that is 2986.5 is here. Okay, 2 minutes, please do this way on your computer. Any question, please raise your hand. Questions? Good. You are studying very hard. Yeah, any question, please let me know. Yeah. Yeah. This lady just a reminder my mistake, my carelessness, and I will give her extra bonus. And at least she is very concentrated on the class and. Yeah. Okay. Okay. You know I can show the video to the director, Dr. Chen. Those students are study very hard. Okay, stop the recording. Okay, go ahead. Questions? Questions? And maybe next time I will ask you to report your website. Yeah, if you already have the website, you can report it again. Yeah. It's an accumulation to accumulate your achievement. Yeah. Sure. In the future, if I have any chance, I can maybe still will not know, but I will show the positive side of the students. For example, $1. How about the students? Okay, I will give some website to my boss or to the supervisors. I can see the homework, the class assignment look like this. It's not just a test paper. That wow, you did a good job. Then I can make 100 copies of principal to my supervisors. No, it makes no sense. So I prefer everybody, you use the website to record those notes. Everything okay? I smell the food. We are hungry now. It's not fair. Now it's close to 6 at the dinner time, but we're still teaching and learning here. Yes. Minus 40 degrees. Hey, you. Yeah.
Q number 2 is
3. Yes, median is 2, and here is a 3. 75%. Q3.
these two, right? These two, right?
Yeah, those 12 numbers. No. Sorry.
These two, right?
They are not listed because they are not in the number of the value order. You need to copy and make to the office and sort it from small to big.
Oh.
Because the less than 29, 30, so here is bigger.
Oh, okay.
You need to sort it. Okay. Questions? You look tired. Yep. So any question? Actually, median is the Q2, 25%, 50%, and 75%. That's like the median is the Q2. Okay. Sorry that I'm not so mean, but I want to tell you that now I'm live streaming my teaching now, and I can see the current viewers 8. It means there are 8 students now are connecting my live streaming here. Only 8? Oh, 11, 12? 11? Now it's 11, yeah. Sure, this number is a little bit smaller than the student number in the classroom, but I don't care. Enjoy. Okay, and in the future, I will tell you how to just select the range, select the data, and copy paste. Then you will get Q1, 2, 3, and every data you need. But not now. Not now. Please forgive me because you need to learn the steps, step by step. Know the principles. Okay, if you are okay, we can move to the next question. Next question. And here, we can know one thing. Distribution is skewed right because the right tail is longer. The right tail is longer. It's not a even or homogeneous distribution. Okay. And okay, let's practice this one. 5 numbers summary of another number. Okay, let's go back here. This example about the Australian numbers, Australian money, even number. There are 12 data sets here, and now we are switching to the other number. Okay, here. For other number of the data points, okay, life expectancy of a person living in Southeast Asia, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Totally, there are 11 numbers here. How can we do? Okay, I copy the number here. Okay, I erase one. Then I create one more sheet. Example 3.3.4. Okay, and paste it here. And again, I use different. I use a way here, and not a 0. Sorry, 70, not a 0. Okay, 70. Okay, and let's check it. Find the Q1 and Q3, and find the median. First of all, there are 11 numbers listed from left to right, but in our Google Office, we prefer to use it from top to down, okay? Top to bottom, okay? 64, 65, 65, to 77. They are listed according to the value from small to big, from left to right. And the middle one, 11, the half of 11 is 5.5, close to 6. So the number 6 is the middle point. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, 5, 6, number 6. Thus, the median is 69 years of the life expectancy. And now try to find the Q1 and Q3. To find the Q1, Q3, you need to find the median of the number below the median and above the median. The median is not included. Okay, the median is not included in either calculation. Let me emphasize it again. The median is not included. Okay, so from the left part, 64 to 68, 5 members in this one. 5 members, that is other number. Other number is easy to find the middle point. Number 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The number 3 is in the middle. Thus, the number 3 is Q1. For the second part, 69, 70, 74, 75, 76, sorry, 77, move it here. 69, 70, 74, 75, 76, 77, sorry. Oh, I misread it again. I don't know, okay. And the middle point is here, 74. Thus, we get median, number 6 in 11 samples. Number 3 in the first part of 5 samples. Number 3 in the second part of the 5 samples. Now we have Q1, 2, 3, and done. And done. The minimum 64, Q1 65, median 69, Q3 74, and the maximum there's 77. Okay, let's check it in our calculation. We have this. Yeah, you can follow my steps here. Select the range, copy, and right click, select, paste the spatial, transpose, and next, copy, and paste, spatial, transpose. Okay, that is okay, and sure, you can use different way. You may say $1. Can you follow that direction? Yeah, let me try. If I cut and paste, and I have no idea whether I can sort it as if I sort the number data, sort the number from column. Sorry, sort only by column, cannot by only by column from up to down. Or can I do that? So, okay, sorry. I select range here, then sort it, column A to Z, okay, done. And 64 is the minimum, 77 is the maximum, and we can know that number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 until 11, the middle one is the 6. Why? 11 divided by 2, that is 5.5, close to 6. Thus, 6 is the middle point. 6, sorry, number 6, the value is 69, is the median. And for Q1, again, the median is not included in either calculation. The median, the person or the value will not be included in either calculation. Okay, let's move here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the middle one is here. Here is Q1. Here is median. Yeah, you can call Q2, but generally we don't call it Q2, but the meaning is the same. And the second part, the middle one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 members here. The middle one is the number 3, Q3. Okay, done. Again, how to find 5 numbers? 5 numbers means the minimum, maximum, Q1, 2, 3, Q1, 2, 3, and now we got the answer. The maximum, generally MAX, the abbreviation is MAX, M with a capitalized, okay, and the minimum, generally with a lowercase m, MIN. We have 5 numbers: minimum, Q1, median, Q3, and max. Okay, I think we still have a few minutes to run this. Okay, please go to run this, to practice. Any question, please let me know. And don't forget to enjoy the spring in Taiwan, like a winter. Yeah, go ahead. Any question, please let me know. Okay, if no more questions, I will stay here. I will stay here to clean my equipment, and we can stop here and see you next week. See you next week. And if you have questions, we can stay here to discuss. Okay. Have a nice Monday, everybody. Yeah, for someone this part is easy. For someone this part is difficult. But different people has different opinion. Okay. See you next time. Yeah, again, just a reminder, today is week number 7, and week number 9, we will have our midterm exam. Okay, any question, I'm always on the online group, please let me know. I'm very happy to serve everyone. Okay.